What's up, everybody? Whoa! Whoa! There's a floating bird! What the hell?
He's too high. He's high.
No fucking...
Wrong trank, Mordecai.
God dang it, shoot
Wrong
Mordecai!
trank, Mordecai.
What?
He gave her the
I
wrong
don't get
trank.
it. Why is she floating?
She's
Whoa.
high, that's why.
Shoot the glitch!
Shoot the glitch!
Shoot the glitch!
We broke Bloodwing's high.
Well, if you remember, Jack kept on saying corrosion like 50 billion times before we did
Yeah,
this.
but...
Thank you, Death Trap.
Okay, no more death traps in here.
He's trying to fix it, look. He's trying to restart her heart. Come on. You can do it! Don't you die on me! Don't you die on me! Oh!
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try this.
Oh, she's dead. Let's go.
Nope, she still bleeds.
She's still that means she's a... Wait a second, can we climb up here? Wait a second, why the hell is this happening?
No, we...
Oh, I thought I was on a fuck... I thought I was floating for like one... Never mind, I didn't realize I was on an elevator. I didn't realize I was on an elevator.
You know what this means though, right? We're gonna have to run all the way back through the map.
No, we got like so many checkpoints, we'll be fine. We don't have to do everything.
No, but we're still gonna have to go back to travel.
God damn it.
Yeah, if we come back here, or we're gonna have to end the game, and then we're gonna have to come back in here.
If we had psychos, we could make a psycho ladder and get that still.
Should I get Vic's Defiance in here?
I don't know.
Nah, it's not that desperate to me. But god damn it!
I think we should just do. I think we should just.
Yeah,
end the game
anyway,
and just
Where
come
Key
back
Master
in here.
here, new videos coming out soon besides this bullshit, so yeah.